Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Filmora for Chroma key green screen edits, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Filmora for Chroma key green screen edits, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Filmora website. Look for the download button and click on it. Select the appropriate version for your operating system. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, launch Filmora on your computer. If you are a new user, you will see an option to create an account. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Once registered, verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the confirmation link in the email to activate your account. Return to the Filmora application. Log in using your newly created account credentials. Now that you are logged in, import your video footage to the timeline. To apply the Chroma key effect, select the clip with the green screen. Go to the Effects menu on the top toolbar. Find the Chroma key option and click on it. Enable the Chroma key feature by toggling the switch. Use the color picker to select the green background color. Adjust the similarity and edge settings to refine the effect. Preview your changes to ensure the background is properly removed. Once satisfied, proceed to edit your video as needed. When finished, save your project and export it. You are now ready to create stunning videos using the Chroma key feature in Filmora. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.